Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are a chronic overpacker like me, you need to get these compression cubes from Wanderly Gear.
I find this to be the perfect set of compression cubes. It comes with three different sized cubes. You get a large, two medium, two small, and they also provide you with a complimentary laundry bag as well, which is so convenient when traveling. I am so impressed with the quality of these bags. They have these great reinforced zippers, so you're not going to have to worry about when you are zipping these up to compress them about anything slipping or the zipper coming undone. I have really put these bags through the ringer. I stuffed them as much as possible, and they held up so well in my recent trip. I just really appreciate how much you can fit in all of these. You can see from the before and after of how much was there and how small it became once I put it in these compression cubes. And I really love how it has this mesh front so you can see what you've put in the cubes, but they also come with a little clear pocket. So if you want to make a list of what is in there, you can stick it right there, or make sure you have a travel ID on those as well. And look how easily they fit into this suitcase. I am completely in love with these cubes.
If you're ready to make your packing for vacation so much easier, get these compression cubes from Wanderly Gear. You are going to be so happy you did, and that is my point of view.